Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an arc shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make an ARC shape. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and choose the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. You want to draw the ARC shape, select this ARC, then press shift and draw the ARC shape. We can see we draw this shape. You can change the color or add any style. Go to the select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline option and select the fill. You can add fill color or outline. Now I am change the outline color. Then you can add the white of this shape. Click the white option and change the white. You can add more than style. Select the style option and add any style. Now we can see we insert a ARC shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.